Mga business na masasabi mong wala ka masyadong magagawang due diligence. Ibig sabihin nun, mayroong mga produkto o services na pwede kang ibigay base dun sa kaalaman mo or base dun sa experience mo, halimbawa sa employment. Unti-unti ang pasok niyan. For example, like me, I became a business finance consultant because I knew how to analyze financial statements and I knew how to do a business plan base dun sa pinagtrabahuhan ko. So, unti-unti ang pasok ko. May wala akong kapital na binuhos dyan. So there are those kind of businesses na you only understand the market once you get in. Pero ito yung mga business na ito na hindi nangangailangan ng malaking kapital. In fact, if it is a service, professional service, hindi kailangan ng malaking kapital. Pagpasok mo doon sa negosyo niyan, makikita mo na yung customers mo have other needs. Pwede sa una, ang feeling mo, maliit lang ito, hindi ko napapasukin. Pero do you realize that when you serve a customer, they have other needs na pwede mong iserve, and therefore when you get into that market, unti-unti, lumalaki din yung iyong range of services. At habang gumagaling ka, lumalaki din yung bayad sa iyo. So there are those kinds of businesses na ikaw lang ang makakaalam at ikaw lang makaka-understand. And these are the type of businesses na really, it's something for you, wala kang kakompetensya.